Okay. And even though you are registered, for example, in Europe, you will be able to use your ID and password that has been made here in Europe to around the world where Atomy is available. Okay. So for tonight, we will explore which countries are our online shopping mall available. So recently, not recently, just today, I just came back from Canada. I stayed there for 4 days, and there, because Atomy is available in Canada, we were able to purchase some products like shampoo, conditioner, lotion, toothbrush, toothpaste. So I don't need to bother to take it from Belgium. So I need I needed a space in my bag anyway. So, if you click here on the upper right corner of the screen, I will make it a bit bigger. So you will see the name Europe. So which means that I am on Atomy Europe Shopping Mall. But you also see here the globe. So the globe means these are the countries where Atomy is available. Hi Laura, how are you? Bonsoir Laura. See you soon. So if I click on the globe, you will be able to see all the available countries where Atomy Online Shopping Mall is located. So here in Europe, we have different languages such as Dutch or German, English, Spanish, Romanian language, and later on more and more and more available European languages will be available on our Atomy Europe website, because Atomy Europe is really doing their best to give us the best service when it comes to the system, the products, and everything that is the best for our consumers like us, and also for people who are doing the Atomy business. Okay, like me and you, if you're doing the Atomy business, or maybe you're thinking like, oh yeah, I should do the Atomy business, because our system is already provided to us. Plus, the amazing products is already provided to us by Atomy. What do we need to do is just to share our experience with the products. Then in Asia Pacific, we have the following countries available. We have it available in South Korea, where Atomy was originally founded. We also have in Japan, Singapore, Cambodia, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, Australia, Indonesia, India. I think it's Taiwan or Hong Kong, the both Chinese here, and New Zealand. We also have in Mongolia. In Central Asia, we are available in Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan. And as you can see, they are also in their local language. Europe, we are available in Russia, Russian language, Turkey, Turkish language, United Kingdom, English language, Latin America, Mexico, Colombia, and Brazil. So you can see in Mexico, the website is in Spanish. Colombia, the website is in Spanish, and Portuguese, the website in Brazil, the website is in Portuguese. And we also have the Atomy online shopping mall available, of course, in the United States, North America, and as well as in Canada. So if you are thinking, oh, should I do the business? How can I do the business? What are the possibilities for me? This is one of the amazing possibility for you if you decide to do the Atomy business, because we are global. So it doesn't mean that even though I am in Belgium, my customers, my partners can only be in Belgium. I can have partners from Canada, for example, from Russia, for example, from UK, from all over the world. And not only that, in the next 5 years, Atomy will be opening to a lot more countries like Morocco. We will be also opening in Africa, and as well as in the UAE. So that's the focus of Atomy global expansion. And for me, as doing the Atomy business, as a distributor of Atomy business, I'm going crazy because we have a huge, huge opportunity when it comes to the market reach. So if you are just starting the Atomy business right now, you made a good choice, because your advantage is so big. Atomy is expanding globally so that your business could be limitless. Okay?